Kirby's Cafe has been in downtown Okmulgee since 1994 in the same location and with the same great family recipes.
It's really good.
Delicious. I don't think I've eaten anything in here that hasn't been good.
Visit with any table in Kirby's Cafe and you'll hear rave reviews.
It is amazing. I was just thinking about that today. It doesn't matter when we come in, the food is always consistent. It's so good.
Especially when it comes to the best seller, Mama's Chicken Salad.
Yeah, it's the best chicken salad in town.
It's a little bit sweet, a little bit creamy. It's just good.
Just the whole flavor of it. I'm not really sure what he puts in it, but it's very good. And I've had chicken salad at different places. His is the best.
The recipe is more than 100 years old. Owner Rick Wade says it came from his grandmother.
We probably would not be here if that chicken salad weren't here.
Order it several different ways.
The sandwich, we serve it on a large chef-type salad with it on top. We have a platter that we serve it with cottage cheese, sliced tomato.
Kirby's has specials all week long. Depending on the day, regulars know exactly what they're going to get.
Wednesdays are chicken and dumpling day. Those are my favorite.
The main specials have been the same specials since the day I opened this.
The week starts with Meatloaf Mondays, with house-made mashed potatoes, your choice of vegetable, dinner salad, and a roll.
We have Italian on Tuesday, spaghetti, lasagna. Wednesdays, chicken and dumplings. Thursdays is pot roast.
Friday is ham and beans, pan-fried potatoes, coleslaw and cornbread, or fish and chips with coleslaw and hush puppies.
And we have 2 other specials every day, so we have 3 on a regular basis.
Get here early if you're wanting a special. They're all popular.
Yesterday we sold out of our lasagna by 12:30, and we had cooked 3 lasagnas, 27 orders.
Doesn't matter what you order, customers know it's going to be homemade. In fact, they've got a saying around here that's on the staff shirts: keeping it old style, cooking it home style. That goes for the appetizers and sides too.
I know people come all over that come here just for the fried pickles.
Kirby's doesn't believe in instant, out-of-the-box anything.
So we peel, probably 300 pounds of potatoes per week.
That's especially the case for Mama's Chicken Salad and its secret ingredients.
We boil off 40 pounds of bone-in chicken breasts 4 times a week in order to keep up with demand.
Chicken fried steak, burgers, pork chops, salads. Whatever you order, it's gonna be good.
I've probably had everything at least once.
Can't go wrong with any
No, it's good.
And if there's room for dessert, the bread pudding is homemade too. It's done with a sweet sauce and a ton of pecans. I'm Jason GRUBBS in downtown Okmulgee.